Lena? Good evening, everyone. We have our best player of the day. We have Morris Apresto.
Thank you.
I have two questions for you today.
Okay, sure.
Ano gusto mo? Tagalog? English?
Tagalog.
Tagalog? Okay. What's the key of the game? How did you guys win?
Okay. Because of our coach, we stick on the plan.
Okay.
Like, execute the track and then continue to play. Either mag-error kami or continuous lang. Kasi yun yung goal namin, to win. Hindi lang walang star sa amin. Kumbaga, everyone is star. Kumbaga, para sa lahat, kung sino makapunto sa amin, isang malaking punto sa bawat team namin. So, shoutout sa teammates ko. Alin sa Brian, kay Brian, siya yung nag-guide sa amin sa pagiging coach namin dito at makapasok sa final.
Wow, that's a good answer. Okay, my second question for you is looking forward to the championship. I don't know when it's going to happen. What is your insights of what's going to happen on who's going to win the second game, Team Red against Team Green? What is your insights for the next game?
For the next game, I believe both of two are best good team. Especially they need to execute all the defense. Green is too much powerful house as well, but also Red as well. But like I said, they need to have a defense and for that execute on the points.
Okay, thank you guys. Here we have our best player of the game, Morris Apresto. Congrats to Team White and see you next time.
Thank you.